All Things Zazen. Practice while walking. What if I told you that walking in a line could be as profound as sitting in stillness? That shuffling quietly behind 20 other people in sandals might actually be the heart of Zen practice? Welcome to Kinhin, the strange, beautiful, and deeply ordinary practice of walking meditation. At first glance, Kinhin looks like a break, a chance to stretch your legs between sessions of Zazen. But this is no bathroom break. It's not recess. It is practice itself. Every slow step is a chance to awaken, to orient, and to let go, over and over again. Let's start with awakening. In walking meditation, distraction is easy. You're walking behind someone. Maybe you start thinking about their sandals. Or maybe you wonder how much longer until lunch. And then suddenly, snap. You notice. You're back. That's awakening. The moment you realize you'd left, and the moment you return. Then comes orienting. In Zazen, orientation is about finding your breath and being mindful of your posture. In Kinhin, it's about knowing where your step belongs. Not just your step, but your place in the whole line of practitioners. You sense the floor beneath you, the person ahead of you, the rhythm of the group. You're here, now, in this shared procession. It's individual, but it's also collective. You're not just walking, you're walking together. And then, letting go. This is where the magic slips in. You don't need to force the step, don't need to compare your pace, don't need to stiffen your shoulders or match perfectly the person in front of you. You let go of the idea that this is your step, or that it must somehow stand out. You also let go of disappearing completely into the group. The truth is simpler. The step is just the step. Nothing more required. And just when you think you've got it, the cycle starts again. You wander off into thought, awaken back to the present, orient with your body and the group, and let go once more. A few minutes of Kinhin can contain a multitude of these little cycles. Step after step, misstep after misstep, awakening keeps showing up like a persistent friend tapping you on the shoulder. So, is Kinhin just a way to stretch your legs? Hardly. It is Zazen in motion. It is the sangha breathing and stepping together. It is the reminder that practice is not locked to the cushion, but can be carried forward, one deliberate step at a time. The dance of a deeper explanation isn't only in sitting, or bowing, or chanting. It's here too, in the rhythm of a line, the quiet shuffle of sandals, the shared silence of a community moving as one. Step, step.